What's up, guys? Welcome to another Sorta Fast Mafia video today. We got a dope ass race for you guys to check out, so definitely stick tuned for that. As always, hit that like button and hit that subscribe if you want to see more dope ass content.
Taking these off, putting the wide boys on. Yeah. Sorta Fast Mafia. This is Danny, our new member. Badass little truck. 5.5 liter Mercedes V8 engine.
Yes.
Anything done to the trans?
It's the stock Mercedes trans.
Okay. Anything done to the rear end?
Stock Mercedes rear end.
Okay.
Stock Mercedes everything. Except for the long tube headers, which are custom made. And we need a tune for them.
About what, 390 to the crank?
390 to the crank, torque and horsepower.
Okay. And then against the 5.0 Mustang. That's stock. That's on slicks.
Damn!
Air raid intake and Magnaflow exhaust. It's the only thing that's done to the car, and a wing, but that don't count. So we'll see how this goes, guys. Going back just for fucks? Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! As always, hit that like button and hit that subscribe if you want to see more dope ass content. And as always, guys, stay sorta fast.